Myself Kundan Kumar Das, M.Tech, Beltech Deemed University, Chennai, BE Trivandrum University, WRC. And today we are going to learn the estimation of 2 room, 1 kitchen, 1 hall and 1 veranda by using the method of long wall and short wall. So first of all, let's describe the dimension of room 1. We can see from this corner to this corner the dimension is 3 meter, and from this corner to this corner, from this corner to this corner dimension is 4 meter, and from this corner to this corner dimension is 3 meter. And again for the room 2, from here to here the dimension is 4 meter, and from here to here the dimension is 5 meter. Similarly for the kitchen, from here to here 2 meter, and from here to here 3 meter. For the hall, from here to here 4 meter, and from this corner of wall to this corner of wall is 3 meter. Similarly for the veranda, from here to here 3 meter, and from this portion to this portion we can say 2 meter. Okay, now this is the section for this wall. We can see this wall AA. Here the section is, if you see the section, here is the thickness of wall is 0.3 meter, and from plinth to ground level is 0.4 meter, and from ground to depth of the pit is 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, that comes to 0.6. okay, and this is the section for veranda. This one veranda section. Here we can see the section. Here from plinth to ground it is 0.4, and from ground to depth of the pit is 0.6, and the lowest one portion is PCC, whose width is 0.9. Now if you can see the 3D picture, this one is the picture in field. Here this one is the long wall, this one excavation is the long wall excavation, and this one excavation is the short wall excavation. This one is also the long wall excavation, and this one is the short wall excavation. This one is the short wall excavation, where this one is the length, this one is the length, and this one is the width. From here to here is the width, and from here to below down, if you go down, that is the depth, and last one is pit. This one is depth, or from ground level to depth of pit, what we call. And this here we do the PCC. Generally if the ground nature is hard, then we start from PCC, or we have to start from soling. Okay, here this one picture is similar way, and here is the estimation. Okay, we are going to calculate the estimation of foundation long wall of room 2, which is 2, number is 2, and length is 9.5, width is 0.9, and height is 0.6. I hope height is 0.6, that is clear from the figure. Width is 0.9, that is also clear from the figure, but length 9.5 from where it is come, we are going to explain. Actually in this figure, this is the length from this corner to here, this is the 9.5. From here to here it is 9.5. I have taken just this figure as a reference, just to give you imagination of the field. Actually this figure is not of the figure of this field figure is not, but I just to give you an imagination. This one is the long wall, and its width is 0.9, it's clear. Its height is ground level, this depth one is 0.6, it is also clear, but the length we are going to calculate. Look, from here to here it is 0.15. From here to here it is 3 meter. From again up to here is 0.3, and if we come up to here, then that is from here to here is 5 meter, and if we again go to the center, that is 0.15. means total from this center to this center it comes 0.15 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 5 plus 0.15. The total comes to 5 plus 3 8, 8.3, 8.6. From here to here it comes 8.6, but our excavation is up from here to here. Now we can see in 3D picture. We can see in this picture our excavation is from here to here. Our center to center length is from this corner to this corner. Our center to center length means if you are taking up to this center to center length is 8.6, and if we add the width means this left 1% it is come 0.45 and that left 1% is 0.45, then that's come to be 9.5. means from this corner to this corner the length is 9.5. from this corner to this corner, this here it's come 9.5. Here we can see in this picture, this is the width and this is the length. This length is 9.5. This picture just give you the visualize of the field. This one is 9.5 and this one is 0.9 and this one is from here to here is 0.6. Actually this picture is not of that similar to, but just to give you an imagination. Okay, and now number is 1, long wall 1, and number is this one 2, means this wall. Now go to the calculation. Here earthwork excavation long wall, here the number is 2, length 9.5 I already defined from where this 9.5 has come, width 0.9, this one height 0.6, and total quantity comes to 10.26. Now we are going to talk about the short wall. Listen, I have taken this one a long time. Why long time? Because if you'll get the concept of this one, then you can easily calculate this cement concrete in foundation, because look, the length are same, this length are same, this length are same, this width are also same, only the height is different. Means from figure it is clear that up to what height we are going to do PCC. Okay, now talk about the short wall. Short wall of 2 room, number is 3, length is 3.4, width is also 0.9, it is clear, and height is 0.6. okay, now we should know from where this 3.4 has came and where what is the 3 numbers. Let's go to the plan. Okay, these are the short wall for room 1 and 2. This number is 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here I am taking center to center distance, because if you are taking to center distance, then our confusions, we have no confusion, it will clear, and we just need to deduct. We have the dimension from here to here 4 meter, and this one is 0.15 if you take the up to the center, and here also 0.15, means total is 4 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, this left and right, that's come to 4.3. But if we talk about the field, here we can see this one is the long wall and this one is the short wall. We have taken the distance from here to here, that is 4.3, but we just need from here to here short wall distance, because this one has already been excavated in long wall, this portion has already been excavated in long wall, so we are not going to repeat this one excavation. We have to just excavate this much portion only we have to excavate from this length to this length. Okay, and this length is 4.3 minus this one width 0.45 this side, and this side also 0.45, that is 4.3 minus 0.45 minus 0.45, that comes to, from here to here, that comes to 4.3 minus 0.9, that comes to 3.4. okay, now let's go to the calculation. Look here, what is 3.4? now we are clear from where this 3.4 has come. Point number is 3.4, width is 0.9 and height is 0.6 is this one, and this by multiplying all this quantity will get 5.3. okay, now talking about the long wall of kitchen, hall and veranda. If we have the clear concept of these two, then it will very easy to understand these two. Now I think this is in this there is nothing if we have already understand the previous one. Here this long wall length is similar to this one, so here the number is only 1, this one is only remaining, so the number is 1. Number is 1, length is similar to 9.5, width is 0.9 and height is 0.6. the total quantity comes to 5.13. now let's talk about the short wall of kitchen, hall and veranda. The number is 4 and 2.4. this 0.9 and 0.6, I think it is similar to all, so it is this one is clear from where this 4 and 2.4 has come. Let's go to the figure. okay, 4 means 1, this one wall, this 2, this 3, and this one wall is we are calculating for this excavation, so this one excavation one of this veranda. So number has 4, that one is clear. Now length, we know that from this corner to this corner the length is 3 meter. If you go up to the center means 0.15 this side and 0.15 this side, the total comes to 3 plus 0.15 plus 1.15, total it comes to 3.3, but we have this one has, this portion has already been calculated. So let's go to the 3D picture once again. Actually, to understand why we are deducting, if you will take the long wall of this one, for just imagine this is the long wall of kitchen, hall and veranda, then we have already calculated the excavation from here to here, and this one is the short wall for kitchen, hall and veranda. Then we know that similar in the previously, we know that this one should be deducted, this portion should be deducted. So the length, just we are taking the length from here to here, that comes to be 3.3, means from center, from this center to this center, 3.3 minus 0.9, that comes to be, here we are the calculation, 3.3 minus 0.9, that comes to be, here is the calculation, we can see 2.4, means 3.3 minus 0.9, that's come to 2.4. This one is clear from where this 2.4 has come, and the number is 4. Here 0.9 is the width and height is 0.6. One again going to the picture, 0.9 is the width, this one, and height is 0.6. I hope this earthwork excavation calculation is easy and convenient for you to understand by this 2D and 3D picture. Thank you for today.